o'clock. It's got to be 12 by now. It is windy out. We spent probably a good 5 clicks like on that gravel in the wind.
Oh, that was sketchy.
That was not good.
We're on the side of the Alaska Highway on our way to Whitehorse, waiting for Timek Nice and Easy Kubitsky to catch up.
Yeah, that's his new nickname.
Nice and easy.
Dig it. Had to stop, clean the visor off. Got a massive splodge bug right in front of my eyes. Tried squeegeeing, it didn't work. Pretty beautiful. So what do we know about the campsite that we're going to tonight?
It's up an old road.
That's all we know. It's on an old road that Shelly from the Yukon wrote on the map. So hopefully it's not too high out of the wind.
Hopefully it's not too bumpy.